here today bringing you an unboxing of a sweater that I got today, well, not today, yesterday in the mail. Well, not really unboxing because I already opened it. First of all, you lagged it, my dude. I've been waiting for this to drop forever. I've been waiting for the longest fucking time ever. But besides the point, it's not that bad, honestly. To be honest, it's not bad quality for what I paid. I think I paid like 30 bucks for it or 20 bucks for it. I don't know how much it cost. I would have to check and see how much it really cost. I think I wore it like once or twice before this, but honestly, compared to other sweaters around this price range, this beats anything else. This beats it all, to be honest. The price range of the sweater compared to other sweaters, it's honestly, it's mind-blowing that he actually made something like that's good quality. It's comfortable. It's warm for one. The only thing I really don't like about this is that it's printed on there, so I don't know over time if it's gonna fade. It's really thick though. Like the printing on it is really thick. It's nice. So this is the sweater I bought from the Everybody tour. This one I bought it online, exactly the same way that I bought this one. I think this one's more comfortable than this one. This one's a little bit more thicker, obviously, but the price, the comparison from this to this is like, it's a whole different ballpark. And this ripped on me. This did not rip on me. It has, well, I don't know. This one ripped on me on the second time I put it on. This one hasn't ripped for shit. Hopefully it does. Why make this like $60-$80? I think it was. Don't fucking roast me if it wasn't. I think it was around 30 or 60. But this one compared to this one, this one was like $20 or some bullshit like that. So recently I also got this like 2 days ago also. This one's a EMINEM drop from his Kamikaze album. I thought it was like literally gonna be a bomber jacket. It said bomber jacket on it. This shit is fucking thin as fuck. This feels more like a windbreaker than anything else. It does not feel like a bomber jacket. If you were to like feel it in person, like it doesn't cover shit. So let me know what other merch you would like to see on this channel. I'll review it before you buy it. Let you know if it's good quality or bad quality, and overall if you should fucking cop it. So yeah guys, it would mean a lot if you guys like the video. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and just let me know what you guys would like to see next. Peace.